How to use Windowed Virtual Assistant on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can use a Windowed Virtual Assistant on your Windows device. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your windowed virtual assistant. That is your Copilot. It's an AI on your Windows. So for that, you can press the Windows plus C key. Or instead of that, what you can also do is head over to the search bar and search for Copilot. Then tap on this and your Copilot will open up. So unlike previous versions, which was only limited to a sidebar, the Copilot app now on Windows runs as a local resizable application, and this also connects to the cloud. So what you can do right here is you can start asking questions. So they can see you can create image, improve writing, predict future, compose a song, find a recipe, anything. So we'll just ignore this and go directly to home. After you tap on go home, it should take you to the AI's interface. Now all you have to do right here is ask it anything. So I'll just write it predict what's going to happen in 2026. So you can just start asking it whatever and it's going to give you the answer for it. So they can see there is going to be very basic everything, like all the AIs. The interface looks really similar to the previous AIs, and yeah, this is basically it. You can also ask Copilot to perform basic PC tasks such as changing your operating or basically your theme from light mode to dark or dark to light. You can enable file search option in the settings, and you can let Copilot read the contents of your file and interact with them. You can also use voice command for Copilot. And yeah, this is like all the other basic AIs that you can use. And you can start playing around with this whenever you want, since it's on your device and it's already installed. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use your AI on your Windows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.